Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the LG UR9000, a budget-friendly LCD TV from LG. We'll cover everything from its design and performance to its suitability for different uses like gaming and sports. Let's start with the design. The LG UR9000 sports a sleek and slim profile, making it suitable for both wall mounting and placement on a stand. It features an IPS panel with direct LED backlighting, offering wider viewing angles but compromising slightly on contrast compared to more premium models. Moving on to display performance, the UR9000 boasts a 4K resolution with HDR10 and HLG support. However, it lacks Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which impacts its HDR capabilities. The brightness levels are average, which is adequate for darker environments but struggles with glare under bright lights. In terms of color accuracy, the UR9000 performs decently but falls short in HDR color performance. It covers around 78.46% of the UHD-AP3 gamut and about 57.11% of the Rec.2020 gamut, which is below what you'd expect from higher-end models. For gamers, the UR9000 offers a 60 Hz refresh rate and an input latency of 11.3 milliseconds, making it suitable for console gaming. It supports game optimizer features and has a slick interface for adjusting settings on the fly. Although it lacks HDMI 2.1 ports for advanced gaming features like VRR and higher refresh rates. Now, let's talk about audio. The built-in speakers are underwhelming, typical for budget TVs. You might want to consider investing in a good soundbar for a better audio experience, especially if you're using this TV for movies or gaming. On the software side, the UR9000 runs on LG's WebOS, offering a user-friendly interface with access to popular streaming apps and services. It's not as feature-rich as some other smart platforms but gets the job done. However, on the downside, it suffers from mediocre HDR performance, lackluster audio quality, and limited HDMI 2.1 support, which might be a deal-breaker for some gamers and home theater enthusiasts. In conclusion, the LG UR9000 is a decent entry-level 4K TV that caters well to casual gamers and sports enthusiasts on a budget. While it has its limitations, particularly in HDR and audio quality, it offers good value for those looking for a secondary TV or a starter model without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the LG UR9000. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.